I am 12 years old and I live in Seoul, South Korea. Today I would like to share with you about my favorite sport. Soccer is one of the many sports that I'm interested in. It is my favorite, and when I grow up, I want to be a famous soccer player like Cristiano Ronaldo of the Real Madrid team. He is a Portuguese soccer player, and I very enjoy watching his game because he is cool and he plays very well. I have always dreamed of becoming an amazing soccer player like him. Soccer training isn't easy and hard work needed to reach my dream, but I will never give up. In Korea, soccer is everywhere. Most of the boys join soccer and most people like watching soccer in stadiums and fields. For me, I wake up at 3 in the morning just to watch international soccer games because, on TV because they are more interesting than Korean team. Whenever I play or watch soccer, I feel very happy and excited. That's why I will work hard to become a good player. Help the Korean team reach the World Cup and meet my favorite soccer players. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.